Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Adding a secondary email address to your Yahoo Mail account allows you to manage multiple inboxes from one single place. First, open your web browser and sign into your primary Yahoo Mail account. Look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu. Click on it and then select the More Settings option at the bottom of the drop-down list. On the left side of the page, you will see a sidebar menu with several categories. Click on the Mailboxes tab to open your mailbox management settings. Under the Mailbox Management section, locate the Add Mailbox button and click it. You will see a list of various email providers such as Google, Outlook, or AOL. Select the specific provider for the email address you want to link to your account. A new window will pop up asking you to enter the email address you wish to add. Type the address in carefully and click Next. You will then need to log into that specific email account to verify your identity and ownership. Follow the on-screen prompts to grant Yahoo permission to access your messages. Once you finish the login process, Yahoo will begin to sync your emails automatically. You can now switch between your different email accounts using the navigation pane on the left side of your main inbox. This feature makes it very simple to keep track of both work and personal messages without logging in and out constantly. You can add several accounts this way to streamline your daily digital workflow.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.